Have you tried opening a screw-in case back on a watch? I bet it was pretty nerve-wracking the first time you tried, especially if you're working on a client's watch. Hi guys, and welcome back to a new episode with me, the Omega Enthusiast. This short video will show and teach you how to open a screw-in case back without scratching it, a technique that I have been using for the past 2 decades. Before you get started, you'll need the following tool: a bench vise that can lock against a workbench. The bench vise securely holds a watch case holder, a couple of pieces of thin plastic to protect the case, and a JAXA case back opening tool. Having these tools is the first step, but the most crucial step is the technique. Firstly, ensure that you have everything securely set up, the bench vise fixed against the workbench and the case holder securely held by the vise. These 4 removable knobs will secure the watch in place, and you can adjust them accordingly. Once you have set up the primary fixture, put the protective plastic over the holder and set the watch over it. Make sure there's little movement when you turn the case. The case may slip if there's too much movement, which can snap the crown out of the case. Next, apply another protective plastic over the case back. In case if you slip, the plastic will take most or all of the damage. Once you get the hang of this technique, I can assure you will never slip again. On the JAXA tool, I only use 2 of the 3 prongs as I feel more comfortable this way. You can choose to use all 3 if you wish to. Make sure to sit the prongs tight against the groove on the case back. The JAXA tool should be parallel to the floor. Hold the handle tightly and keep your forearm rest against your abdomen. With your other hand, palm over the JAXA tool, make sure that it is parallel to the floor as well. And when you're ready, make sure not to turn your wrists only, but keep your wrists fixed in place with your forearms against your abdomen. Twist your waist slowly while applying pressure downward with your other hand. Using this technique, you'll be able to open even the tightest screw-in case back. That's the end of this video. Once you have mastered this technique, you'll never scratch another screw-in case back. Thank you to all of my patrons for your continued support on Patreon. Anyone can support my work through Buy Me a Coffee or the thanks button below. Make sure to hit on that like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the following video.